nearest lad thus to make poor females mad.
Never so weary, never so in woe, bedappled with the dew and torn with briars. I can no further crawl, no further go. My legs can keep no pace with my desires. Here will I rest me till break of day. Heaven shield Lysander if they meet a fray.
On the ground sleep sound. I'll apply to your eye gentle lover's remedy. When thou wakest, thou takest true delight in the sight of thy former lady's eyes, and the country proverb known that every man shall have his own in his waking shall be shown. Jack shall have Jill, naught shall go ill, the man shall have his mare again, and all